So I find these areas intriguing in terms of when you have bipolar 2, which is hypomania. You have bipolar, the third bipolar, which is considered cyclothymia or cyclothymia. And then you have bipolar 4, which is atypical, which doesn't technically apply to any of the former. Bipolar 1 is emotional fluctuation. 1 is emotional fluctuation. You have extreme polar, extreme sort of philosophy.
You know, there's greens in there, as well as those beiges and the dark.
Replicate what we see when we're standing somewhere.
And motivation, goals, and drive. But subliminals, in and of itself, you have subliminal, you have supraliminal, you have.
I come up here for the edge of my building. And I can add in the edge of my building.
So the vanishing point is the point at the horizon where the two receding lines.
And no two gifts are identical, but it's clearly they're X-Men. So from that perspective, what you find with not just